How to hang eucalyptus in the shower. Remove the leaves from the bottom of 7 to 10 eucalyptus branches. Roll over or hammer out the eucalyptus leaves to release their scent. Cut 5 feet, 1.5 meters, of twine or string, and fold it in half. Group the eucalyptus into a bouquet, and tie it in place with a knot. Tie the eucalyptus bundle up in your shower under the shower head. Shower as normal, and replace the eucalyptus every 3 to 4 weeks. Here are some health benefits of hanging eucalyptus in the shower. The strong fragrance improves sinus pressure and eases coughs. The calming effects of eucalyptus can ease aches and pains. The eucalyptus oils can reduce your risk of infection.